What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the balloon bow and arrow.
For the bow and arrow, use 3 260s. For this case I used 1 mocha brown, 1 green, and 1 lime green. For the bow, blow that one up all the way, whichever color you choose. And then for the arrow, that one can have an extra 6 finger lengths or so. And then one will be uninflated for the string. Alright, so grab that first balloon that you chose for the bow, blown up all the way. And we're going to bring those ends all the way together. And we're going to pull it across so we find that middle crease. Right in the center, we're going to twist right there. And on the right side of that crease and the left, we're going to make pinch twists. So make a 1-inch bubble and pinch twist that. And then on the other side there, go ahead and make another 1-inch bubble that's identical to the one we just made. And for this part, you can twist those two together, one big pinch twist. I like to secure them around so they're nice and tight. Alright, so it should look something just like this. Alright, so we're going to braid up both of those sides there. So make it nice and pliable, and then go ahead and make a braid. Braid it all the way up and make it as tight as you can. And then at the top, you're going to twist those two together so you get about a 1 to 2 inch bubble on each side. And I like to loop that one of those through to lock it in. Just pop that through. So then you have a nice and tight braid for your bow. Alright, grab that one uninflated balloon, whatever color you chose, and we want to take the air out of it. So start on one end and then just start squeezing in one direction toward the opening. So you take all the air out, and then make sure you tie it before you let go so the air does not get back in. So tie it so there's no air left. This takes a couple tries, but you guys will get it. Alright, so pop in one of those sides into the end there, and then just twist it around a few times. I like to twist around several times to get it nice and tight. And then pull that over to the other side. And you can choose where you want to pop that in for how much of an arc you want on your bow. So I go to about there and I twist it in. Alright. And that is your bow with the string. Let's grab that third balloon. I had about 6 fingers lengths left. You can have a little less if you want, because we're going to be going right to there. So somewhere in that range, however long you want your arrow to be. So in order to get that, we got to go a little bit higher, and we're going to pop that off. Just pull it and make sure you hold on really tight so the air doesn't come out. And then twist right where you want the length of your arrow, and then go ahead and tie that off. It's a little tricky, but you gotta make sure you hold on so the air doesn't come out and tie it. I like to straighten it out a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pull off the excess on each side. You want to pull off on top of that knot. If you pull off below, it's gonna pop the air out. Same thing here, get on top of that knot and then pull that excess off. You don't have to do this part, but it makes it a little bit more streamlined arrow for people to shoot off their bow. Alright, so grab that bow we just created with the string, and you now have a bow and arrow. Nice work, guys.
Alright guys, I'm so glad you stopped by, and I really hope you enjoyed that tutorial on the bow and arrow. And just so you know, that's one of my most popular balloons. It's really a simple balloon, just takes 3 of the 260s, and it's something that every kid loves. They love being able to pull it back and shoot it at each other. So I know it's going to be something that you're going to enjoy and that you're going to be able to use at your next gig. And if you guys want to learn how to make money with this, you totally can. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel to get more great content like this, tutorials, but also videos on how to do it as a business. And if you want to go even further into the next level, Check out our website. We have a bunch of great resources. It's simply schoolofballoons.com. Either way, I'm so glad you stopped by, and I'll see you later.